My hardest time here at BGSU Firelands has definitely just been the overall experience. Moving away from home, I lived 7.5 hours away from here in a small town in the UP of Michigan, so I've came a long ways to, I guess, come to school here. I think just being away from family has always been really difficult. Only getting to see them a few times a year is definitely really hard on me. With my family living so far away, you have to be self-motivated just to make it work. I mean, no one's gonna be like on you to like do your work and make sure you're studying or getting enough rest, or so you could easily fall victim to that, and you could easily collapse. So I feel like the hardest thing for me was definitely just learning that and learning how to like study. I know that was when I came to college, I definitely had to learn how to do that, and I know for a fact I definitely couldn't have done any of this without my faith. Keeping a strong faith was always something very important to me and something I was raised with. At times I definitely struggled with that, but I know in the end, like, I couldn't have done anything without God. So